You can use background images in the foreground to do cool effects like this. Here we have our penguin inside the door and peeking out through the window. Or you could have him hiding behind some plants. Let me show you how. Here I've got a project with a little penguin that moves left and right with the keyboard. And these two if statements control the left and right. These three create the penguin. And then these two at the top, BG2, which is a little foreshadowing. BG2 is just our background. The animations I have right now are just the penguin and the background. So the first thing I want to do is duplicate this background. And on this one, I need to do some erasing. So I want to erase everything except for these bottom little plants. So I'm going to select all of the water and get rid of it. Just select it and hit backspace or delete and it will go away. And I need to do that several times, so I will fast forward through all this part. Okay, so that took a while, but I've erased everything except for this that I'm going to use in the foreground. Let's go back to the code and hook it to a sprite. So I'm just going to make another one right here. Call it BG. What did I call this one? Let's call it front water. All right, and then I want to put my penguin between the two. So let's put front water in front of the penguin, so below in the code. Now when I run it, he's behind there. Okay, another one that we can use to do the same thing so that our character is hiding behind some things is the animation of background that is a house. Let's see. You can do it with any of them. This is just a fun one. There. We're going to call the standard one house. We're going to duplicate it and call the second one front house. On this one, I'm going to use this lasso selection to grab this little part of the window that you can't see and backspace that out. I'll do the same on this one. Okay, and then we're just going to change the animations to house, front house. And I probably need to scoot my penguin up on the screen a little bit. Let's try that. Let's see. Oh, there he is. He's peeking out the window. And I'm going to speed this up to about 5 times the original speed to do the same thing to the door. So I'm just rectangling and erasing. And that's how you can use backgrounds as foregrounds.